Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier 30l/day is an exceptional product designed to tackle moisture issues effectively. With a capacity to extract up to 30 liters of water per day, it is ideal for medium to large rooms, basements, or areas prone to dampness. One of its standout features is the generous 2.5-liter water tank, which allows for extended operation before requiring a refill. This means less interruption during use, ensuring that your environment remains comfortable without frequent maintenance. The digital display is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to monitor humidity levels and adjust settings accordingly. You can also choose from several modes, including continuous drainage, which is perfect for long-term use without needing to worry about emptying the tank regularly. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with extensive laundry drying needs or in spaces that accumulate moisture quickly. The design of the dehumidifier is sleek and compact, allowing it to fit seamlessly into various room aesthetics without being an eyesore. Despite its considerable capacity, it operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms or living areas where noise could be a distraction. One of the most impressive aspects of this dehumidifier is its efficiency. It quickly reduces humidity levels, leading to a noticeable improvement in air quality. This can help alleviate issues such as mold growth, musty odors, and allergies caused by excess moisture. Additionally, the unit's portability is a plus, equipped with wheels that facilitate easy movement from one room to another. In conclusion, the Dehumidifier 30l/day is a reliable and effective solution for managing humidity. With its large capacity, user-friendly digital display, and efficient operation, it stands out as a highly functional appliance. Whether you need it for drying clothes or improving overall air quality, this dehumidifier is a worthwhile investment for any home.